Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make coconut mahamri in a very simple way. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe I've used 3 cups of all-purpose flour, then I'm going to add some sugar. I've used a 1/3 cup of sugar, but you can add more if you want. Then I'm going to add yeast, 1 tablespoon of yeast. After that we'll add some cardamom powder. I've added about 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Then I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients well so that they can be well combined. You'll then go in with a 1/4 cup of oil, cooking oil. Then I'm going to mix it with the flour until it is crumbly. After mixing the flour and the cooking oil, your mixture should be as shown in this video. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut milk, warm milk. Then I'm going to mix to form a nice dough. You'll then knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the dough is soft. After that, you're going to let the dough rest for about 10 minutes before cutting it into small balls as shown in this video. After cutting all the doughs, you're going to roll out the dough as shown in this video. Then you're going to divide the dough into 4 equal parts as in triangle shapes. Your mahamri shapes should be as shown in this video. They should be triangle, but you can either choose to make round mahamri. But as for me, I decided to use the triangle mahamris. After you're done cutting them, so you're going to place them on a surface as shown in this video. Then you're going to let them proof for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, your mahamri should be well proven as shown in this video. Mine are looking good. On a medium heated oil, you're going to fry your mahamri. Make sure you don't overcrowd the frying pan. You then fry the mahamri on a medium heated oil until they're nicely golden brown. After that, you're going to remove them and repeat the process until you are done with the all mahamris. Kindly follow every step I've shown you in this video so that you can get some perfect mahamris. As you can see from this video, our mahamri turned out so well. They look so delicious and soft. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Don't forget to give it a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn to make their own mahamris at home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until then, bye bye.